Welcome back, guys. Today we're just sharing some quick tips on how to make a very nice and pretty swirl. I know a lot of you might struggle with this, but there's only one quick tip that I'm going to share today. Hope you find it useful. As you can see in this picture here, my brush handle is directly perpendicular to my skin. That means the tip of my brush handle is right above the tip of my brush, and this is how we ensure that anywhere my brush handle go, my brush tip it's going to land exactly on the same spot. And also it helps you to control the pressure evenly. Now let's take a look at a wrong one. So if you are painting in an angle like this, you see there's a part where my brush would lose control because of the uneven pressure on the brush tip as compared to the rest of the swirl. Right there where I turn my paintbrush, that's where I lose control, and that's where the swirl looks funny. That's the reason why our swirls don't look as smooth as we expected. It's because our brush handle is not right above our brush tip when our brushes hold at a certain angle like that. So let's have another look, and I hope you find it helpful. And if you can't really see it clearly, you can just slow down the video or pause it or mute it and see how it works. This is another a bad example here. My brush handle went all the way too much to the left side instead of perpendicularly, and that is why when my brush in on the turning spot right there, it goes a bit funny, and it's the same theory as the 45-degree one. So here it's another one that is correct, and have a look, it's nice and smooth. It's because my paintbrush is perpendicular on my skin. Yeah, my paintbrush handle is right perpendicular to my skin. That's it. Have another look. I hope you find this helpful. So I think this actually applies on all the other lines instead of just swirls. Try to keep your paintbrush vertical, and it will allow you to have a better control on where your brush tip is landing as compared to painting at an angle. So if you find it helpful, please subscribe and share it if you find it helpful. We'll have more video coming up on line works and different stuff. Thank you for watching.